Dear boys and girls, I am Muhammad Salim Sheikhdar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, now Fawzan Government College, Laksham, Kumilla. I think you are healthy and hearty at home. I hope you are following our lectures that we are uploading on Facebook. In the previous classes, I discussed using correct form of verbs, and today I shall continue it. So welcome to my class once again with water lily, the national flower of our country. In the previous class I told you that I shall discuss subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement, it is a part of right form of verb, and the main thing about subject verb agreement is that if the subject is singular, it will take a singular verb. If the subject is plural, it will take a plural verb. What are the singular verbs? Is, was, has, does, and as by a form of a main verb, and are, were, have, do, and the base form of the main verb can be considered as plural verbs. There are some controversies about it, but generally we consider them as singular and plural verbs. So if the subject is singular, then we shall use singular verb. If the subject is plural, we shall use plural verb. Now the question is that, can we recognize a singular subject or a plural subject? Sometimes it is very difficult to recognize whether the subject is singular or plural. That is why we have to go through these rules. You know, there are some subjects that is singular but looks plural. There are some subjects that are plural but look singular. So to avoid such difficulties and to write a correct sentence in English, we have to go through these rules, that means subject verb agreement. In the previous class I discussed up to rule number 30. Today I shall start from rule number 31. Each, every, one of plus subject plus verb singular. That means if the subject is added with each, every, or one of, it has become a singular subject and the verb will be singular. Let us see an example. Each of the boys be regular. Each of the boys be regular. Be verb. Be verb means am, is, or was, were. We shall take one of them. Am, is, are, or was, were. Each of the boys. Boys is a plural verb, but it is added with each. That is why it has become singular subject and the verb will be singular, is. Every mother love her child. Every mother is a singular subject, so the verb will be singular. Love, the base, the singular form of a main verb is as by yes form of the verb. So the verb will be loves. Every mother loves her child. One of the mangoes be ripe. One of the mangoes. Mangoes is plural, but it has become singular as it is added with one of. That is why the verb will be singular. That means is. Rule number 32. Subject uncountable noun, verb singular. That means if the subject is an uncountable noun, it will take a singular verb. Patriotism be a noble virtue. Patriotism is an uncountable noun. That is why it will take a singular verb is. Patriotism is a noble virtue. Sugar tastes sweet. Sugar is also uncountable noun, so it will take a singular verb. The singular form of a main verb is as by S form. That means tastes. So sugar tastes sweet. Iron be a precious metal. Iron is also an uncountable noun, so it will take a verb. Singular verb is. Iron is a precious metal. So, my dear boys and girls, we shall move to the next rule. Rule number 33, subject gerund infinitive verbal noun plus verb singular. That means if the subject is a gerund or infinitive or a verbal noun, the verb will be singular. At first, we have to know what is a gerund. If we know that verb plus ing, if it works as a noun, it is called gerund. To plus verb in base form is called infinitive, and the nouns that comes from a verb is called verbal nouns. We can easily recognize it. Such type of noun has the before it and of after it. That means the plus noun plus of. This structure is called verbal noun. Let us see an example. Swimming be a good exercise. Swimming is a gerund, so it will take a singular verb is. To err, be human. To err is an infinitive, so it will take a singular verb is. The importance of learning be known to all. The importance of. So it is a verbal noun. It will take a singular verb is. So gerund, infinitive, and verbal noun. And after them, we should use a singular verb. Rule number 34, subject, number, meaning, amount. There are some subjects, there are some nouns or subjects that is number, but these numbers just mean amount. These numbers just mean amount. It doesn't mean a number, it means amount. Such as 50 miles. 50 miles, 50 is a number, but 50 miles is not a number. It is an amount. 10 kilograms. 10 is a number, but 10 kilograms is not a number, it is an amount. So, if number becomes amount, and it has become a subject, and we shall take a singular verb. For example, 50 miles is a long way now. 50 miles is a long way now. You know, for coronavirus, communication is not very easy now. That is why 50 miles is a very long way now. 10 kilograms is heavy. 10 kilograms is heavy. So, I think you have understood the rules. I am moving to the next slide. Rule number 35, subject, arithmetical operation plus verb singular. Arithmetical operation. Arithmetical operation is very simple to understand. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, such type of things are called arithmetical operation. Example, 2 plus 2 be 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, after arithmetical operation, we should take a singular verb. Rule number 36. Collective noun with plural modification plus verb singular. That means if a collective noun takes a plural modification, that is sometimes plural common nouns become collective noun with some phrases, that means bunch of, shoal of, etc. Here I have given an example. The bunch of keys belong to my brother. Bunch of keys. Keys are plural, but it is added with the bunch. The bunch of, so it has become a collective noun. And after collective noun, we should use a singular verb, belongs. A herd of goats be grazing. A herd of goats is grazing. A herd of goats, goats is plural noun, but with a herd of, it has become a single collective noun, so it has become singular. After it, we should use singular verb. A herd of goats is grazing. Dear boys and girls, I'm moving to the next rules. Rule number 37. Subject be plus adjective. That means if an adjective take an article the before it just becomes a plural common noun. So it becomes plural, so it will take a verb which is plural. The rich, the educated, the uneducated, the virtuous, the pious, such type of subject is plural. After them you should use plural verb. Here is the example. The rich be not always happy. The rich are. The rich are not always happy. The rich be verb. What should we use? Are. The rich are not always happy. The educated be conscious of child marriage. The educated are conscious of. Are. The educated are conscious of child marriage. So the plus adjective is a plural subject and it will take a plural verb. Rule number 38. Both, some, many, few plus subject plus verb plural. That means if both, some, many or few is added with a subject, then it will become a plural subject and it also will take a plural verb. Example, both of them be busy. So both of them are. Both of them are busy. Few of the boys be absent. Few of the boys are absent. Few of the boys are absent. So both, some, many, few added subject is plural. It will take plural verb. We are moving to the next rule. Rule number 39. More plus countable plus verb plural. If we use a countable noun after more, it will become a plural subject and will take plural verb. Example, more boys be eager to learn. More boys are eager to learn. But if we use uncountable noun after more, it will take a singular verb. More water is needed in dry season. More water. Water is an uncountable noun. That is why after more, it is used after more. So it will take a singular verb. More water is. More water is needed. More boys are. More water is. Boys countable. So it takes plural verb are. Water uncountable. It takes singular verb is. Rule number 40. More than plus singular noun plus verb singular. More than plus singular noun plus verb singular. That means after more than, if we use a singular verb, singular subject, it will take a singular verb. More than there is an example here. More than one girl subscribe it. Subscribe it. More than one. One is a singular number and girl is singular, so it will take a singular verb, and the singular form of main verb is as by use form, so the answer will be subscribes. More than one girl subscribes it. More than plus plural plus verb plural. If after more than, if we use plural noun, then we have to use plural verb. More than two books be required. That means more than two books be required. Two books, that means it is a plural noun. So after more than, we use plural noun, that is why we have to take a plural verb. So the answer should be are. More than two books are required. More than two books are required. I think, dear boys and girls, you have understood what I have discussed today. In the next class, I shall complete our right form of verbs. There are some other rules regarding subject verb agreement. I shall discuss in the next class, and very soon I shall discuss it. So after that, we shall complete using the correct form of verbs. That is the 5-number question in English second paper in grammar part, and one after another grammar I shall discuss in my class. So just follow me and be happy, keep happy, and be safe, keep safe. Goodbye today. Okay, there are some homework for you. You will do it and send me to my email or my messengers, but still I have not got any reply from you. This is a matter of regret. I think you are following my class, but you are not giving me any feedback. So try to give me feedback. Okay, best of the luck. See you in the next class.